Let's register for a workshop. You may already have a course right there on your home page. Some of them are automatically assigned to you, but that doesn't mean you're registered for a specific class. There's a difference between the courses, which is the main subject, and the actual classes or webinars. So you can click on there. You can start the course, or you can also, by clicking on the calendar, find a specific location that you would like to go to, whether it's a webinar or actually a physical location like the Southern Maryland Library Association. Like I said, you go to the start the course, and if hit the registration button, that's going to turn and say that you are registered. That's how you'll know you're registered. And you can go over to the other side and add that session to your own personal calendar. I'll show you in a minute that the system actually has a calendar. You can copy that or go to the link to find that location for the Southern Maryland Library Association, and the address is right there. So that's it to register. Now, if you'd like to go to your home page and look at your calendar, you can see it's there. This particular location was in May, and there it shows up. Thanks for watching.